Okay, good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss your chapter number 21. Chapter number 21. The chapter name is diversity. I hope you understood very well and you study about this topic that what is the diversity, but I want to brief you something about this chapter. Diversity means, diversity say that our Indians economics, our Indians geography, our Indians polity, everything we can understood properly, that how can we describe and how can we understand properly that what is the culture of our India. So in this chapter, the diversity at the cost rate, at the geographical rate, at political rate, we can understood properly. So now we are going to discuss the exercise of this chapter. The question number first says that, which is include on your page number 190. I request to all of you, please open page number 190 and see question number first. Question number first say that blank, and question is means what is a narrow strip of land situated on the southwestern coast of India. In previous chapter, when describe and study about another states, then we will discuss about Kerala. So first questions of answer is Kerala. Means the answer is that Kerala is a narrow strip of land situated on the southwestern coast of India. This means narrow strip. I want to describe this word narrow strip. What is the meaning of this word narrow strip? Narrow strip means any particle which is sandwiched between two parts, like this is part A and this is part B, and which part third C is sandwiched between these. So part C, we can say that this is the narrow strip. I hope you understand properly. That answer is Kerala is a narrow strip of land situated on the southwestern coast of India. Now question number second. Question number second say that what describe a process by which national and regional economies have become integrated through the global network. This answer is globalization. This is the answer of question number second. And now let us solve question number third. What is the answer of question number third? Question number third say that of which religion among the following is India not the birthplace. So I want to tell you, in previous chapter when we discussed that religious and society diversity, India is the birthplace of four major religions. What is? First is Hinduism, second is Jainism, and third is Buddhism, and the last one is Sikhism. And now come on the questions. The question is that of which religion among the following is not on the birth? Question number first is Kerala, means the answer is option number D. Option number D. And second, globalization, question number, option number B. And question number third answer is, of which religion among the following is India not to the birthplace? Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism, but in Christianity. In this not option, so we can say that option third is option number D. Option number D. Now, question number fourth. What is an integral component of the Indian cuisine? The question number fourth answer is option number C, salt. Salt. And is and last one is question number 5. Five question is, which is the biggest and most famous of the monastic festival of Ladakh? The fifth answer is option number A. Option number A. What is Hamish Chesu? सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज सॉल्व। हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट को देखा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5 क्वेश्चन को देखा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का हमने ऑप्शन नंबर डी देखा। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड का ऑप्शन नंबर बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड ऑप्शन नंबर डी एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ ऑप्शन नंबर बी एंड क्वेश्चन 5 का ऑप्शन नंबर ए। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। Question number second is, fill in the blanks. Question number first say that Ladakh is divided into which and which district? So question number first का हो जाएगा, Ladakh is divided into Ladakh is divided into Kargil, and Leh district. Now question number second is, what is the Ladakhi heartland with the highest population density? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड का हो जाएगा इंडस वैली। इंडस वैली is the Ladakhi heartland with the highest population density. Now question number third. Question number third say that what of Kerala is one of the oldest and most scientific martial training existing in the world? The question number third answer is Kalaripayattu, Pyathu, THU of Kerala is one of the oldest and most scientific martial training existing in the world. And question number 4th answer is, in Ladakh herders are known as Changpas. And question number 5 is Onam. Onam is the biggest festival of Kerala which lasts for 10 days. So this is the solution of question number 2nd. Now we are going to discuss question number 3rd. Match the column. Stop कीजिए सर, stop कर दीजिए. Okay. Now we are going to discuss question number 3rd, which include on page number 191. Page number 191. Here say that match the column. Match the column. Snow leopard. Snow leopard is matched from Ladakh. And Sabrimala. Sabrimala is matching the Kerala. And Great Stupa, this will be option number 1st. And rock cut caves. So match the column, आप इसको मिला दीजिए. Now we are going to discuss question number 4th. चलिए अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th को देखते हैं हम लोग. Question number 4 says that name the 3 geographical regions of Kerala. 4th का question number 1st. Name the 3 geographical regions of Kerala. Answer will be highlands, and second is midlands, and third is coastline. Now question number 2nd is, what are the 2 popular musical forms found in India? The answer will be, first Hindustani music, especially North India, and second is Carnatic music, South India. And now question number 3rd is, Now, question number third is why diversity needed? Diversity की ज़रूरत क्या है हमारे भारत में? The answer is diversity in society help us to grow as individuals. हमें ये इंडिविजुअल रूप से ग्रो करने में हेल्प करता है एंड ओपन अवर माइंड्स, और हमारे माइंड को क्या करता है? प्रसारित करता है, ओपन करता है टू डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ लाइफ. हमें अपने लाइफ को समझने के अलग अलग कई तरीके से इसके वेज कई रास्ते हमें दिखाते हैं. इसलिए हमारे भारत में डाइवर्सिटी इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लाइमेट डज लद्दाख हैव? द आंसर इज दैट लद्दाख इज हाई एल्टीट्यूड कोल्ड डिजर्ट. द मेन सोर्स of water here is winter snowfall. And the answer of question number 5, the question number 5 is write the names of some classical dance forms in India. हमारे इंडिया में कुछ जो क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म्स होते हैं उनके बारे में बताना है. The answer of question number 5 is some of the world famous classical dance forms that originated and involved in India are: first is Bharatnatyam, second is Kathak, and third is Kathakali and also Kuchipudi, and another many types of dance formed in India. So this is the answer of your question number 5. Okay, so dear students, I hope you understand properly that what is the answer of these type of questions, and we will discuss about the next chapter in next class. And I hope that if you have any problem, then you can consult us, and I hope I can remove your all type of problem. Okay, so thank you and bye bye.